Hi, and welcome to how to add or update a product in your Stan Store. First, you want to come to your Stan Store. This is the dashboard. You're going to click on My Store. Then you're going to click on Add Product if you're going to add a new product. Now here you have a bunch of different options. If you're just adding a digital product, then you're going to click on digital product. You can also choose to click on collect emails or applications, and that's going to be like if you have a freebie to collect email addresses, you're going to select the collect emails. There are also different options for you, but the main ones we're going to look at is how to add a digital product or how to add an item to collect emails and applications. So here's where your digital product information is going to be. You have a thumbnail, checkout page, and then you have other options. You can pick a style, whether it's a button, a call out, or preview. I usually do the call out feature, and then you're going to select your image by clicking on choose an image. Next, you're going to click on upload your image, and you're going to find your image on your computer or your phone and upload the one you want. You're going to choose crop. Next, you're going to add a title of your product. Next, you're going to add a subtitle for your product. This could be a little bit more information about the product itself or a catchy little tagline. So whatever you want to add, you can add that in your subtitle. Next, you're going to add the text that you want for your button. So you can have download now, access today, learn more, etc. So choose one of those or whatever you want to put there and add the button text. Then once you have your title, your subtitle, and your button text and your image, you're going to want to click next. You also have the option to click on draft if you're not ready to go to the next step or you have to come back to it. You can always save as a draft, but you want to click next on this. Now, the checkout page is basically your product description page. So you want to choose your image that you want for your product description page. This is going to be the image that's going to show at the top of your page. You're going to click on upload an image, whether it's from your computer or your phone. You're going to click on crop. Now here you're going to add a title for your product page. Some themes that you use for your store when you're creating your store don't allow you to update this section when you are in the checkout page. But for this example, it allows you to update the title on the checkout page. So you're just going to update it to like get your ebook now or, whatever catchy phrase you want to add to it. Now, this section is for your product description. So this is where you're going to add the text about your product that you're selling. You can either add in text that you created, you can update the text that's already in there, or you can add a product description that's an image and just delete the text itself and click on the image icon and add the image. And this is going to add the product description like sales page in this section of your product listing. Stan Store also gives you the option to generate a product description using AI. You can click on this generate with AI for the AI to come up with a product description if you choose. If you're going to select generate with AI, it's going to have a little pop-up come up and then you're going to write in there exactly what you want the AI to create a description for your product itself. Describe your product as best as possible so that it can provide a very well-written product description. Once you've written your description for the AI, you're just going to click on generate. Then it's going to give you the option to replace what's existing in your product description. So this text that it came up with, if you like it, you can click on replace and replace the text that's already in your product description. Now, you don't have to use this generate with AI feature. You can always use ChatGPT and just copy and paste if you want. You can add in your own language in there. It's all up to you. I'm just showing you different options. Of course, once it's inside your product description, you want to read through what the AI created. You want to make sure it sounds like the product that you're selling, that it has the information in there about your product, and that it doesn't have any unnecessary text in there that you don't want in your product description. For example, the testimonials for this product description, we don't need, so we can just remove this section right here and keep the rest of the text. Then you're going to add something for the bottom title, something catchy, a call to action type of wording like grab your copy today, access the course today, something like that. Then you can keep the call to action button the same as purchase, or you can change the text and have it say something else. Now, here's where the price comes in. You can alter the price however you want. If you want to set the price as a normal price, you're going to select the left hand side and just add a price in there. If you want to have a discounted price, you're going to toggle the discount price on, have your original price on the left hand side and your discounted sale price on the right hand side. And then depending on the plan you have with StanStore, you have different options to add payment plans and different other toggle features. Now we're at the part where we're going to add your product. So you can choose to add a URL to directly link your customers once they purchase to a product. If you have, say, a product on your Google Drive, you can add the URL there. If you wanted to link like a course to your customer directly, then you can add the course link there, etc. If you're going to choose to add or redirect to a URL, the top line is going to be your URL. So you're going to copy and paste it in there. And the bottom line is going to be a description of your product itself. Like, so for example, if it's a course that they're going to access, you're going to put the course link on the top line and you're going to say like access your course or something, or the name of your course on the bottom line. This is how it should look like. You would have a course link on the top line and your description on the bottom line. Now, I will say that if you choose to use a URL, you're going to input this information, the URL and the description, and then you're going to click publish and you're all set. If you choose to upload a file instead of adding the URL, you're going to click on upload a file. Then you're going to click on upload. And then once you see that your file has a green little check mark next to it, that means that you uploaded it correctly, and then you can click on the publish. Once you publish an item, it's automatically going to go to the bottom of your products. You can move it around using the 6 little dots on the left-hand side. If you just hold and drag it, you can drag it up and move it around wherever you want to. You can also click on add section if you want to categorize your products. You can do that as well. And then if you want to see more options for your individual product, you can click on the 3 dots on the right hand side. And then here you'll see more options like copy the URL. So if you want to directly send a customer to that particular product URL, you can copy the URL and you can put it into, like if you're building a landing page, you can put it into a landing page. You can provide it to a customer directly. You can unpublish it if you want to take something off your store and you don't want to have it published. Instead of deleting it, you can just click on unpublish. You can duplicate a product. If you want to just duplicate a product and change up the information and pictures, you can do that. You can make a landing page for each individual product, or you can choose to delete your product. As always, I just want to say thank you for letting me share the information about updating your store. I hope this video helps you understand how to add or update a product in your Stan store.